Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you how to download and install TEMU app to be able to do your shopping online. I'm also going to show you how to uninstall this app. So there are two ways to install this app. So go to Play Store, select apps, then search, type TEMU, select on it TEMU app. 4.6 star, 11 million reviews, 8 billion plus downloads. Select install. So the app is installing. The app is installed. Select open. This is TEMU app. I usually reject privacy cookie settings. Reject all. This is the app. Sign in for the best experience. Then you select sign in to create an account. This is categories. You, catalog, incredible, free shipping. Select categories. If you select categories, it will show you featured. On the left side, you will see kitchen, women's clothing, women's scarf clothing, women's shoes, women's lingerings and lounge, men's clothing, men's shoes, men's big and tall, men's underwear and sleepwear, sports and outdoors, jewelry. So these are categories, and if you want to buy any particular item, or if you have any item in mind, you can also search that particular item on top. Search on TEMU, or you use camera to capture the image of the item if you have it at home or something like that, or want to know the price. You can use the camera to capture the image. Once you capture the image, submit it, it will search that particular product through the app on their store or website to see if they have it in store. For example, let's say if you want to search for this mouse, you can type it on top, type mouse, MOUSE, select on it, then it will show you mouse available on the app, listed on the web page, on the app page. Likewise, you can also use camera, select camera, then select allow, take photo, select continue, then it will give you option for you to capture the image. So capture the image is captured, then select OK. Then it will scan the image and show you available mouse they have listed. It will show you image search. So this is how to search product, and also you can search from the top. Let's say if you want to buy women's dress, select women's dress, then it will show you women's dress listed on the app or web page. If you want to buy any particular one, it will also show you price and how many sold. Select particular dress, for example, then you scroll down to select, will show you the price, show you the size. Then if you want to buy this item, for example, then you select the size 8, for example, then you select quantity, select minus or plus to select the number of quantities. So if you want to buy like 2, then you select on the plus, the quantity increase to 2. If you want to remove 1, then you select minus to remove 1. If you want to add it to cart, then you select add to cart. So the product is added to catalog. You can continue doing your shopping and come back to it. And once you are ready to do the payment, then you select the catalog, and it will give you option for you to sign in with Google account or Facebook, or continue with your email or with phone number. And also, if you have trouble signing in, you can also reset your account. This item is 13 quid 17 pence, and also free shipping and free return. Likewise, if you want to remove the item, this is the item on top. You select delete to remove it. So the item is now removed successfully. So this is the first method on how to search product on TEMU. Now, if you want to delete this app or install this app, you go to your home page on your phone, So this is TEMU app on the home page. To remove it, you need to pinch on it or hold it a bit firm. Then it will bring out for you to select remove, uninstall, or widgets. Select uninstall. It will ask you, TEMU, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So the app will be removed. If you keep an eye on the screen, the app is uninstalled. Another method to install this app, you can use Google search bar. Go to Google. On Google, then type TEMU. TEMU. Select on it. Then it will show you TEMU.com official. Select TEMU.com official. Once you select on it, you need to wait for the app to open. Then to install this app, select open. You can also create your account from the web page as if you like. So select open. It will show you blue open on top. Select that open. It will take you to Play Store for you to install this app. So select open. It will still take you to Play Store for you to install this app. Then you select install. So once you select install, the app will be installed on your mobile phone. So these are two methods to install TEMU app to be able to shop as you prefer. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.